Hello, everyone. I am Sharon Dukes, owner of Dukes Accounting and Tax Services. And today I'm going to talk about how our tax process works for you. How do you upload your documents? How does your return get processed? The time frame that it takes to process your return and what to do once your return is complete. All right. So we're going to get into that today. We're going to start by letting you know you can go to our website to book your appointments online. These can be in person or virtual. You can also upload your documents here, and then there are just a few other things that you can kind of navigate the site and check out as well. Notice the highlighted upload your documents link. So some of you all kind of forget where's that link to upload your documents. So go to our website and click it there. You can also get to it from there. Okay. And so to get started, you will need to request our services. And you can do that in multiple ways. You can do that by sending us an email. Again, you can go to our website and book online from that way as well. You can go to our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can also call or text us. And then once you request, you are going to be given this link. So this link is accessible when you hit the book online or when you hit sign up for our services. This is what it's going to bring you to. Or if you sent us an email, we're going to send you this link. And here you're just going to enter your first and last name, your email address that you will use for your tax return, as well as the phone number you want to use for us to contact you. And so this is getting started, getting the ball rolling. And then once we get this information, again, we check this daily, quite a couple times a day. So we'll get that pretty quickly and get a response back from us fairly quickly as well. The response will come to your email. So once you get that email, it will look similar to this. So this is the current year email that is going out to all new and returning clients, informing you of the return process, major tax updates that may affect your tax return this year, as well as the blue link at the bottom, which is our blue button, to get you started with answering a few tax questions about yourself and uploading those documents that we need to process your tax return. For existing customers, this blue link may say sign in. And again, it may say sign in. So anyone who used this process last year, which is majority of our clients did use this last year. And so you may see sign in, you'll click that, and then it will take you to the website where you will upload your documents securely. If you are new clients or you did not use this process last year, this blue button for you may say accept. And so you will click the blue button that says accept. And again, it will take you to the same link where you upload your documents. Right. This is the next link that you'll see once you click that button. If you have ever used an Intuit product or you are a returning customer for us and you used this product last year, it's going to say sign in. Intuit product could be QuickBooks or it could be TurboTax. So at any point in your past that you use Intuit, it will say sign in based on your email that you provided to us. If you've never used an Intuit product, it will say create an account. And so you'll need to put in a phone number, email address, and your name to sign up. Okay. If you have used an Intuit product and you're getting that create an account link instead of a sign in link, it's because the email address is different. So if you want us to change your email address to one that you've used in the past, then just contact us again and say, hey, can you change the email to this instead? We'll go ahead and change that for you and send you a new link out so that you can go ahead and sign in. So signing in is the first step. Once you get in, this is mainly all you have to do. So you have signed up, requested our services, you've gotten your email, and then you click the link and this pops up. So this is a computer version of how to upload your documents. At the top, it says to do documents and profile. And of course, profile is how you can change your settings, upload pictures, things of that nature. The documents tab is what's going to house the information we send you and the information that you send us. So if you uploaded a W-2, a 1099, driver's license, address verification statement, anything, IRS letters, anything that you have had to upload, it will be under documents. anything that we have to send you will also be under documents, including the tax return once it's ready for review and once it's ready to for the final version of it. When you get to this page, it will automatically be on the to-do list. It will also be here if you finish and then we asked you some additional questions, it will be there as well. So you will be on the to-do list as well. So the to-dos is where you're going to answer questions. The questions will either be a box where you can type something in, or it'll be a simple yes or no question. Many of them are simple yes or no questions. All of them, however, give you the link to where you can add additional documents. So if you need to, for the example, this question is asking for address verification. If you need to upload a driver's license, a mortgage statement, rent statement, or utility bill, or something to represent or to verify your address, you will go ahead and upload it here by clicking the paperclip. Since this is the computer version, when you click that paperclip to add additional documents, again, this is the computer version. So once you click that additional documents paperclip, it will open up the search box on your computer to browse and pick your file. So if you've taken a picture of something and you save it to your computer, you just find it and then upload it here. If you are using a tablet or a cell phone, when you hit that additional documents button, it's going to open up your camera, which is a little bit easier to use. And you just simply take a picture of your document or your driver's license, whatever it is that you need to upload, and you take a picture of it, and then it will automatically upload to this particular question. And it will also automatically go over to the documents tab as well. So you have two ways to get your items uploaded. Again, the cell phone or tablet may be the easier route because it automatically opens up the camera button and you just take a picture of it and then it comes up. But if you need to use the computer version, then when you hit the additional documents button, you need to find the file first on your computer and then attach it that way. Each question also has a skip button if you do not answer it. So make sure you answer the questions, because if you get to the end and you think you're done, it won't show that you are actually done. So if the question does not apply to you, which there may be some questions that won't apply, just type in NA or select no for that particular question if it doesn't apply to you, so that when you get to the end, you get that green check mark to say I'm done. Okay. Once you have completed answering all of your questions, you'll get two options. You'll get to click the button that says I need help. And so that would notify us to contact you to answer any questions that you may have, or you'll click the button that says I'm done. And that lets us know you're finished uploading your documents and asking your questions or answering your questions, and you're ready for us to process their return. You can also, within these boxes, and there is one particular question where you can do that, but in any question where there is a box, you can ask a question about it. So for example, if you weren't sure, you don't have any of these documents for this particular question to verify your address, you may type in what other documents can I use to verify my address, and that will come to us. So you can type in questions as well for every question on here also. And then again, you do have the one question that you will come to that asks, do you have any additional questions? So you have that as well to contact us. Then once you're done with this, your part is complete. It comes to us. We go ahead and process it. We will contact you to let you know we have received your completed questionnaire. We will also contact you if we need additional documents from you or if it is complete. So the next step is for us to do your return, and then we will send it to you for review. The review step is very important to you. So once you get your return, do look at it. So make sure that the information that's on your return is accurate based on what you sent us. So we can only rely on the information that you supplied to put on your return. But at the end of the day, the return is yours. So it is your responsibility to look at their return and make sure information is correct. You really want to make sure their Social Security numbers are correct, dollar amounts are correct. So information that you gave us, you want to make sure that is correct, or that you didn't send us the wrong thing, especially when it comes to bank accounts. So make sure you did not mistype the bank account number or anything like that when you answered those questions, because that is what we rely on to complete your return. Once you review it, you will also see in the same email a link to sign the return electronically. So you'll get that link to go ahead and sign it. We're notified once you have reviewed and signed your return, then we send you the next email that says pay and file. So you select how you want to pay for your tax return. We have several payment options to accommodate just about every taxpayer on how to pay for your return. And then once we get that back, we go ahead and file it. And we let you know how to check the status of your return by going to the IRS website. Most returns will take up to 21 days to process, depending on how the filing season goes. Like we saw last year, it could take longer. It could take less as well. So the earlier we get it in, the volume of tax returns being prepared is kind of low. So it may take a less time as well. So once all that is done, you are complete, your taxes are done, and you are good to go. If you have any questions about this, please contact us through one of those methods, either on our website or through our email, or by calling and texting us, or our social media platforms.